Hey guys, Cyberdana here, and I have my February 2020 Antipodean Witch box. So let's get started. It's nice and deep red tones. So we've got the pamphlet, which says Red Moon, 9th of February, and some nice maroon paper. We've got patchouli, planet Saturn, element Earth, attributes, romance, sensuality, passionate love, fertility, protection, and wealth. We've got a piece of rhodonite, planet Venus, element Earth, attributes, romance, universal compassion, self-worth, emotional healing, consecrated bath salts for romance, a length of red string, three pieces of cord with red ends, red banded jasper, planet Earth, element Earth, attributes, romance, unity, vitality, nurturing, empowerment, emotional strength. Rosemary, planet Sun, element fire, attributes, romance, fidelity, remembrance, dispelling jealousy, love and healing. Lady's mantle, planet Venus, element water, attributes, romance, love, beauty, amplification, and alchemy. We've got two red hand-dipped spell candles, a small wooden heart with holes through it, red aventurine, planet Mercury, element fire, attributes, romance, manifestation, fertility, creativity, sexuality, and protection. A 2020 lunar cycle calendar, which is also a magnet, so you can just flump it onto your fridge and know exactly when all of the moon phases are for the year. Beautiful rainbow pendant, something Egyptian, which I'm sure the pamphlet will tell us about. And our sigil and affirmation for romance. I make room in my life for romance. I embrace life's pleasures without guilt, choosing to live abundantly. The 1st and 2nd of February are Lammas. The 1st of February is the first quarter, the 9th of February is the full moon, the red moon, the 15th of February is the last quarter, and the 23rd of February is the new moon. So in this month's box, we've got the heart wooden embroidery frame, So you can use this and the red embroidery thread to make a design. The romance sigil and affirmation. We've got the Isis pendant. Isis, the all-mother of the ancient Egyptian pantheon, is a deity associated with romance, love, birth, and the cycles of life itself. Got the witch, the Antipodean witch moon calendar, the hand-dipped spell candles, okay, so apparently these are mountaintop romance Tibetan rope incense. It's ritual rope incense, and its special manner of preparation is one of the ancient traditional arts of the monastic order of Tibet. So there you go, there is our incense. They do smell really good. I've been able to smell this box for the last couple of days because I haven't had a chance to open it, and it has left my room smelling divine. Got the consecrated bath salts, the patchouli leaves, the rosemary, the lady's mantle, the red aventurine, the rhodonite, and the red banded jasper. Then we've also got the red moon romance ritual. On the back we've got some romance deities and a recipe for llamas cornbread loaf. And that's everything that I got in the February 2020 Antipodean Witch Box. If you enjoyed watching, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! A tangle. Whoop. Feel like I've broken some.